Hey guys, this is Greg with Medical Muscle. In this video, I want to talk about why you have to push it from the very beginning of medical school. I know at the minimum, everybody just wants to pass, but you have to envision yourself getting honors every single term, because if you don't have that kind of mentality, you're not pushing like that, then you're gonna slip. Because even if you push like you're going for honors, you're still gonna slip, and sometimes you won't get the grade. You'll get a subpar grade than what you wanted. That does happen. You know, you never know what the test is gonna be like. Something just didn't click. So you basically, you guys have to push it every single time. Medical school progressively gets harder. You'll end up putting more and more work every single term, every single year, to get a worse outcome. It's almost like a 15 to 25% drop in your grade every year with increased effort. It's insane. So I want you guys to push it. And, because again, it's only 3 years. You got to get it done. Fourth year is a piece of cake. So you got to get to that point. Okay.